Tēnā tātou. Nau mai hara mai ki te hōtaka o te reo Puawai. Ko Gemma Stewart tōku ingoa, no Te Muka Ahau, engari I noho ana au I o tautahi anainei.
Kia ora, ko Tamara Bell tōku ingoa, no Whāingaroa Ahau, engari kei Rolleston Ahau, e noho ana anainei.
Welcome to the program Te Reo Puawai, a core education and power program. This program is delivered primarily online with face-to-face hui at the start and the beginning of the course and 7 weeks of content delivered weekly.
The aim of this course is to support you to learn Te Reo Māori at a beginner's level, and it matches up with Achievement Level 1 of Te Aho Arataki Marau mō Te Ako I Te Reo Māori, the Te Reo Māori guidelines for teaching and learning of Te Reo Māori in English medium schools. Basically, the expectations for this course is that you will attend both the beginning and end hui. We're going to set some goals for your learning with you. We're going to support you to achieve your goals. The weekly content will be delivered, which you can work through at your own pace, and we'll be hoping to increase your proficiency and confidence to speak and teach Te Reo Māori.
We recognise that teachers are incredibly busy and you've taken time out of your busy schedules to complete this program. This program is designed to be 1 to 2 hours maximum a week and also flexible with which hours you choose to complete the content.
Best wishes for the course. We think it's going to be a fantastic journey for you all, and there will be lots of facilitator support for you as you embark on this journey. Ko te reo te mauri o te mana Māori, nā reira, kia kaha, kia maia, kia manawa nui.